Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and I'm excited today to show you the November 2020 Sew Sampler unboxing. You're gonna love this box. When you open it, you've got this wonderful theme, which is woodland romance. Let's take a look at what's inside your box. You've got the Folktale Junior Jelly Roll, which is designed by Lella Boutique for Moda Fabrics. It's got 20 jelly roll strips. Super beautiful fabric. We have the new mini duckbill scissors by Gypsy Quilter, the AQUA bobbin boat, which is great for holding your bobbins if you're traveling, and we put in a great mini cut and press so that when you get back to your retreats, you will have something to iron on at your desk. We also have this exclusive FEELIN pine quilt pattern, which is absolutely beautiful and works great with the Folktale fabrics. And your greatest hits block for this month is number 8. We hope you fall in love with this box, and I'll see you next month